Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Wednesday, February the 21st. And this is the recap for today's video or today's trading. And I don't even know how much I want to get into this, but let's just say we had a kind of a crazy day. Um, I told people on stream that we're not even going to talk about it. So if you really want to see it, go back to the live stream and rewatch a portion of that. You'll understand what I'm talking about. But we had kind of this happened: big red, back, and this, and we finally ended the day in green. And that happened right at the end of the day. I'm talking about this account, our streaming account. Also, what is it, 427 right now, and you're witnessing live the craziness on the Nvidia earnings. Absolutely crazy. Glad I'm not trading it. We had right off the rip, it spiked all the way up to 620, and then literally dropped all the way back to 420. We had a 200-point move. So if you were trading that, Godspeed. I hope you were on the right side of it. But man, that was some crazy action. But anyway, going back to, you can kind of see a lot of my trades here. We definitely took quite a bit of trades. And I just want to highlight one particular area right here. You can kind of see what happened. Yeah, it happened. We got shot. We got sniped. It wasn't even shot in the tick. We got sniped in the tick. And then the market just ripped higher. I mean, it was the most brutal thing you will ever witness. Max pain. And actually, when that happened, I actually turned off all my trading on all of my other accounts. And the only account that I could trade after that happened was this streaming account. And at one point, there was a pretty good chance that this account, I thought at one point that this account was going to die today. I thought it was going to be a casualty from being shot in the tick there, but we salvaged it. We came back. Wow, look at this crazy market. Unbelievable. We're at 640s now from the 420s. Man, that's some crazy stuff happening right now. But anyway, I'm almost distracted from doing my video because of this, but let's go through. So anyway, grand scheme of things, actually had a great day. Let me show the other accounts. So we had a great day. I mean, some of you might remember, but I had, like, what was it, 4 to 5 accounts? Well, I guess it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 accounts that were in drawdown, and they were basically hovering around. Oh, I forget the amounts, but they were just. I took some big losses on them, and I was kind of just keeping them there until I see a setup that I really like, and then I was going to jump in on it and look for a little bigger trade and not really scalp, but I was looking for a little bigger move. And it happened this morning, and I actually captured, let me just show the move right here, this move here. This big green candle, I call them boner candles, but hey, man, this market is crazy. Anyway, so I caught, I just now realized that you guys couldn't even see that. My fault. Man, look at this. Look at this craziness. But it was this morning at about 10 o'clock. I went long somewhere here. Anyway, caught the move, hung on, and I hung on for dear life. It wasn't exactly easy, but I stuck to it, and I got my profit target, and I traded all 5 accounts. I entered at different areas, but all of them had a winning result, and it was a great start to the day, which it ended up being a good day. let me switch screens. But then these accounts here are these 3 accounts are the only accounts that I actually just traded my normal scalping strategy. And I only got to those 3 accounts until, that catastrophe happened. And I was pretty upset. I'll be honest. I was pretty upset and on the verge of tilting. Maybe I was tilting. So I shut down trading on all of these accounts just so I don't go do anything crazy. And ended up being okay day. Ended up being the right move. We ended up, you can see this is the account that we brought back from the dead. At one point, I think we were close to $1,000 in drawdown. So going from $1,000 negative to, I know $16 doesn't seem like a big number, and it isn't. But to me, that $16, like I told Stream, I don't care what number it is. If I get green, I'm done. And we got it back to green. We ended the day. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts over the $2,100 threshold. We have 1 account almost at $2,200. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts that are over $2,000 in profit. And then we got 3 more stragglers. And one of them being our streaming account. So depending, I might look for a little bigger trade on those, but our drawdown is fine. I'm happy. I'm really happy with where we're at and how it's going. And like I keep saying, I just want to stay. I don't want to celebrate now. This is not the time to celebrate. So we need to wait to celebrate and do the high-fiving until after these accounts are at 2,600 or more. Because until then, it really doesn't mean anything. And I just want to make sure I know as we get closer to that 2,600, I know it's going to be harder. I'm trying to kind of mentally prepare myself for it, but I'm just going to stick with the plan, not do anything crazy. And then, like I said before, I just need to not go on tilt, which today I felt like the market was testing me. So anyway, that's it. I'm rambling. Everyone, thank you so much for your support. Also, today is the last day. Depending on when this gets uploaded, the 1-day pass will be over. I'm kind of curious what Apex comes out with next. Hopefully they have some kind of great promotion. I don't know. I'll be sure to share it. And also yes, thank you very much for everyone using my code. I really do appreciate it. And it really does help the channel out. So thanks everyone. Thanks for your support. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Great evening. We'll be back at it tomorrow morning. And God bless.